Hi there! Today will be the first combination of Ethel drills challenge. So we start from this position, and for the first our ribcage goes to the figure 8. So from left to the center and from right to the center. Then we add our arms. For the first right arm and then left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms undulation. And then you can add shimmy if you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to the right side with circle with right leg and circle with arms and turn to the right diagonal. So 1, 2, and then army for 3, 4 and arms 3, 4. Again arms undulation. So 1, 2, then 3, 4. Then the next step, we go from right arm reverse undulation to left arm basic undulation, and with our chest we go down. So 1, 2, then 3 and 4. 3 reverse arms undulations and then body wave really small, and then hip circle. So 1, 2, then 3 and 4, and then the last one. We go to the right side with arms with circles and with hip figure 8. It is like half figure 8. So 1, 2, then we continue figure 8 from the down to the top, and our right arm from shoulder goes with the arm undulation and then the left. So 3 and 4. One more time from last. So 1, 2, then 3 and 4. And the full combination from the beginning. So 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good luck!